Yo guys, I hope you're doing good. So if you are new in this channel, let me tell you that let me take a moment and say that this channel actually we teach people English, like to learn English. Whatever you need to know, we will speak here, or we have already spoke somewhere else. So you might go back and watch our previous videos and learn if you can learn something there. Anyway, so we took a challenge, or not challenge, we took something that from now consistently we'll upload videos. So whatever we upload, we'll speak in English, like the things I'm going through my lifestyle or whatever I'm doing. So I will translate them in English and speak to you and help you learn English. Or if you have any plan that, well, if there's any Bangladeshi people who speaks English, so if there's any chance to listen to him, so this is the moment you can listen to me if you like my accent and like the way I talk. So from now I already have uploaded one video in English, so this is going to be second video. So you are going to get consistently like 50 videos or whatever lifetime, the time I live until I die. So, and also we also upload grammars and all, like how to start. If you are a beginner, if I'm a beginner, if I were a beginner, how would I start? Like where would I start from? Like it was, if it were grammar, if it were speaking a word or what. So we have those kind of videos also. At the same time, I thought if I make videos in English, that would be great for you. So to talk about something, you need to have any topic, certain topic, and today I picked up the real topic. And today I had an exam, so I thought I could speak something about my exam, how it had been. So actually it was my second year exam, which is an improvement. It's not that I'm starting in second year university now. Whatever I'm studying at doesn't matter, but it's my improvement. So the subject was HRM. If you know, HRM stands for Human Resource Management, like the management which is concerned with human resource. So actually, to be very honest, I had so much time, but I didn't take any preparation. You would not believe me that for this exam, there were 11 chapters and I didn't even read 4 chapters properly. Didn't read it. So it was like any shallow knowledge, you know. So I, like, in the morning I thought I would study in the morning just before I go to the exam. But think about it, those people who are talented, like those who get higher numbers than me, I mean, their preparation should be like they would start it from 1 week ago, like the very day exam starts. But me, I started it just 3 or 4 hours ago, just when the exam kicks off. So look at me, but still I managed to perform very well, and I would say that it was the best exam I have given, like most recently, or the time I can remember. So how did it happen? Actually, let me tell you, the chapter itself is easy, and also 2 years back then I also studied it very hard. So I had remembered those things, and it's not that I just study for the exam. It's not about that. I also study to know it. When I study something, it's not to pass the exam or not to pass the phase. It's to know the thing. Like if I'm reading HRM, so the definition of HRM, so I will definitely understand what is HRM actually, like human resource management, which is concerned about the management, like to collect the people and to evaluate them from, and also to appoint them, and it's like that. So I had quite a great exam, and I'm grateful for that. Then what happened after that? Actually, I also have some other exams later, like 3 more exams from second year and 4 more exams from third year. No, 3 more exams. So I think I have to take preparation. But you know what? The procrastination, if you heard the word procrastination, 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 so it's the word which refers that if you delay something, like you have to do some work, so if you delay it, like no, not today, tomorrow, or next day. So this is how you delay the work, and eventually you end up not doing it. Or even if you do it, but the effectiveness is not as it should be. So it's called procrastination. So I'm a very big practice. I practice procrastination a lot. So I shouldn't do that. Even you shouldn't do that. Neither should you. So, but I did. But I have exams, like 7 more exams ahead. But I have to prepare very well. But there is one exam, statistics, which is really hard, and it is all about math, statistics. So I just have to focus on that, and also have my job and all. I mean, to balance, if you wear my shoe, and you will understand that what kind of things that I go through and have to balance. So I think I'm done here. So it was really unfiltered video. You know what does mean by unfiltered, where we didn't have any plan. So just make the video. So maybe it would be very easy and convenient and conventional video. So don't be so judgmental to judge it very quickly that, oh no, it's not that like the way you want it. It was just a quick and very like the moment we're feeling. It's very momentous. So bye.